In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Stack. Whether you're starting fresh or managing multiple projects, understanding how to navigate Stack efficiently is essential for your workflow. Let's dive in and go through the steps. First, we'll start by accessing the Stack login page. Make sure you've got your credentials ready. Open your browser and enter the URL for Stack's login. Once the page loads, you'll see an option that says Login with Google. Click on that. If you're already logged into your Google account, Stack will use those credentials to sign you in. This is a helpful time saver as it allows seamless access without needing to remember multiple passwords. After successfully logging into Stack, direct your attention to the dashboard where your existing projects are displayed. To initiate a new project, look for the New Project button and click it. This action takes you to a page where you can configure several critical project details. Here you have options to input the project status, the bid date and time, and specify the project's location, among other details. Remember, accurately entering this information at the outset can save you significant time and effort later. Double-check the details before proceeding to ensure everything is correct. Next, you'll want to add plans to your project. You'll find the option to upload these plans. It typically says Upload Plans. Click this and you'll be prompted to select the files from your computer. This stage is crucial as the plans serve as the blueprint for your project takeoffs. After selecting and confirming the files you want to upload, there's a short waiting period while the system processes the files. Once the plans are successfully uploaded, look for the Done button and click it to finalize the upload process. This confirmation ensures that your plans have been correctly added to your project space and are stored securely in Stack's system. Now that you've uploaded your plans, the next step is to get started on reviewing and managing them. Click on Go to Plans and Takeoffs. This will take you to the main interface where you can perform detailed analysis, measurements, and other project-specific actions based on the plans you've uploaded. Here you have all the tools at your disposal to efficiently manage the project's requirements, including organizing takeoff lists and measurements. And there you have it, a straightforward process to create a new project in Stack. Every step from logging in with ease to managing detailed project plans is designed to help streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. By following these steps, you'll have your project set up and ready to go in no time. If you have further questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your new projects.